My client made 11k in 9 days when he started his creator business. And it's what everyone you watch is doing, okay? They have an audience and they sell to their audience. And in this video, I want to go through exactly how you can start a creator business, how you can make that amount in that amount of time and still have the same offer as you're offering right now, but just build an audience around that said offer and sell to that audience. Because the truth is, you don't need a huge following. You need a small niche following of your ideal clients who know, like, and trust you, and you're going to make a lot of money. And in this video, I want to go through exactly how you can do that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, what you're probably doing right now is sending cold messages, sending hundreds of cold messages every day, getting told to F off. I've been there. I sent 6,000 cold messages and got like a couple book calls, but most of the time it was people telling me to F off. 0 clients from that, by the way. Or you're spamming short form content, thinking, oh, everyone's saying post content, bro, and you keep on posting content, short form content, and nothing seems to come from it. And that's because you need to understand the rule that I'm going to go through within this video. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. So just some proof of concept, 4k, 5k, that's 9k, and then an extra 2. So that was 11k, but I just thought I'd say 9k in the title. I'm probably going to have to change that title because I didn't realise it was that. I thought it was 9, but it's actually 11k in 9 days, okay? So I'm going to go through exactly how to do that, and it's by starting a creator business, okay? And it's by implementing the Magnify Your Content funnel. It's the only way you're going to be able to do the same thing. Starting a creator business. And you're probably like, what's a creator business? So a creator business is basically every single person you see posting content online, they own a creator business. So all your favorite gurus, they have a creator business, okay? And they're selling to their audience. They're not selling B2B. They're not selling B2C. They're selling B2A, business to audience, not business to consumer, not business to business, business to audience. They're selling to their audience. They have an audience. They have a loyal audience of their ideal clients who know, like, and trust them, and they're selling to them, okay? So all you have to do to make this happen is set up your camera, speak about your expertise, and then clients will start coming to you. I know that sounds too good to be true, but that's what most of these people are actually doing. It's what I'm doing as well. I'm setting up my camera, I'm speaking on camera, speaking about my expertise, going through in detail about everything, giving value, giving insights. And then people are coming to me, booking in calls, okay? I don't do any cold outreach now. I don't do anything like that. I don't spam short form content. I just post YouTube videos and a short form piece of content every single day, okay? That's all I do, okay? And you don't have to change your offer. So if, for example, if you're an agency right now or you're an online coach right now, you don't have to change your offer to become a creator business. All a creator business is creating content, building up a loyal niche following an audience and selling to them. All you need to do is build a small audience around your offer of people who know, like, and trust you, and even less than 1,000 followers you can get clients, okay? Just me right now, okay? I have 800 subscribers. I have probably an audience of around 1.7k altogether. Okay, so YouTube and Instagram, 1.7k, and I still attract high ticket clients to my offer, okay? And if you still don't believe me, Ethan is an agency and transitioned into becoming the creator and made 6.5k with just 7 subs. He still has the same offer, he just became the creator, okay? He's built a loyal audience. He literally has 100 followers on Instagram and 7 subscribers on YouTube. He closed a 3.5k client. This is him, by the way. It's just his personal profile, and this is his business profile. He made another 3k, okay? 7 subscribers. If you don't believe me, 7 subscribers, and they're big time in America too, okay? Insane. So Nathan's an agency and transitioned into becoming the creator, okay? And also Aaron became the creator and blew up on YouTube. I helped him get 2.9k views. He had his first sales call just a week into joining us, okay? So after he joined us and after I gave him some advice, he booked his first qualified call. And I even think he closed that call. Becoming the creator is needed if you want to succeed in 2024 and beyond. And there's 3 main steps in the Magnify Your Content funnel in becoming a creator business that you need to take. So the first stage is the awareness stage. And if people don't know about you or your skill, how will they be able to buy from you? They just won't. Okay, short answer is they won't. You need to make yourself known. And we do this by using short form platforms to get attention. So one short form platform we use, and I definitely recommend, is Instagram, because you can also do the other thing which I'm about to speak about. So we mix organic content with a simple ad, which gets us targeted attention onto our page. We run a simple ad. I've had before 0.20 cost per profile visit. So I don't know how much that is in cents if you're from America, but 20p here is like a little lolly. You go to a corner shop and you get a lollipop. It's like less than 20p. Okay, so it's really cheap. Every time I spend 20 pennies, my ideal client comes onto my profile and it's getting nurtured as we speak. Okay. And then organic content every day. I just post organic short form content every day. I film one time a month. All my 30 videos, one time. It takes 2 days because I come up with ideas one day and then film the other day. So two days. That's all it takes to create 30 videos. I know a lot of you struggle with that for some reason. I don't know why, but it's really simple. And the ad's $15 to $30 a day. Okay, that's it. That's all I spend. One simple ad. You can test this like every 2 weeks. You can test to see if it works. Okay, and if it's got a low cost per profile visit, keep it on. And if you get an ideal clients onto your page, keep it on, following you. Keep it on. If it's not, test a new creative, because the only thing about these ads is the creative that's going to make a difference. So try new creatives, try be unique with it. Okay, so that's the attention stage. Put in an ad and organic content together. Okay, and next is the trust stage. Okay, and so now you have attention, you need to build up trust, and this can't be done with 30 to 60 second clips. I see everyone go wrong here. They think it can be done, and that's what you're doing. You're spamming short form content because you think you're building up trust. But it can't be done with 30 to 60 second clips. You need to know about the 7-hour rule, and that's the rule I was speaking about earlier that I'm about to reveal, and I'm revealing it now. The 7-hour rule. So the 7-hour rule states that it takes approximately 7 hours of engagement to convert a lead by building trust and a connection. So people need to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they even consider buying from you. And I don't know why my camera's like this today. It's a bit red. I'm not even burnt today. But anyway, yeah, it takes 7 hours to convert someone into a paying client. Okay, and if you work that out, if you're posting 60-second clips, that's going to take a year. That's going to take 420 short form clips to convert one client. No, thank you. That's going to take a year and a half, and I know for a fact you're not that consistent with it, and you won't post every day for a year and a half just to convert one client. So what do? We simply implement long form, and YouTube is the best platform. Like, the retargeting is insane. Raw and authentic videos are winning right now. Like, these videos are just winning, so you can set your camera up, post content. YouTube is the best platform. That I'm so glad I came across YouTube, and I'm so glad I started posting on YouTube, because it all compounds. Your YouTube content all compounds, and it's an asset. YouTube is the only platform where your videos stay around forever. Okay, so for example, if I posted a video a year ago, tomorrow it may blow up. But with short form videos, you post it, it goes away after like 2 days and never comes back. So YouTube is the only platform that stays around forever. So in a year and a half from now, I might be getting book calls. So yeah, you need long form content, and what this basically looks like is this. Okay, so it's an ad to get targeted attention onto your page. Organic content nurtures and intrigues for more. And what I really want you to realize is, with your organic content, don't give value, give insights and intrigue people for more. So let's just say, for example, you do a video about getting in shape. Just a random example. Don't give the exact step-by-step process. Just give insights into the process and intrigue them for more to move over to YouTube, so you can go into more detail about that said thing on YouTube. Okay, the content game and the business game is just intriguing people for more, and I bet you've never heard someone say that, but it's just intriguing people for more. The ad intrigues people to click onto your profile. The organic content intrigues people to move over to YouTube. The YouTube intrigues people to book in a call. Okay, so it's an intriguing game. You need to intrigue people for more, and the call intrigues people to buy from you. Okay, that's all you need to realize. Okay, so this is how the process looks. It's a simple ad, organic short form content, intrigued for more. In your link in your Instagram bio, there's going to be a specific YouTube video which will act as your video sales letter. And if people don't convert from this video sales letter, that's completely fine. They're going to get retargeted by all your other YouTube videos that you're going to be posting. I would say 1 to 3 times a week is most optimal, because you can just literally set your camera up and post videos, as I said, like I'm doing right now. And that's going to lead to a link in your description. You're going to say at the end of all your videos, you're going to offer your offer. You're going to offer them to book in a call. It's going to lead to a Calendly link. You can have a Calendly form. So you only get qualified book calls like I have, and they're going to hop on these calls and ask a few questions and then say send the invoice, because they've been watching your content for at least 7 hours. They've built up trust. They're just ready to convert. Okay, they're ready to buy from you. And that's why this funnel is amazing, because the people who actually buy from you and who book in calls from you, book in calls on their own account. So this means when you hop on these calls, they're going to be literally like send the invoice calls. They're going to say send the invoice. They're going to just buy from you straight away. And people are only going to book in calls when they're ready to invest into themselves. And that's very important. And you're probably like, oh, so I won't get as many book calls. But why do you want more book calls? You don't need more book calls. You need more qualified book calls. Okay, you need the right people booking in calls, and that's exactly what this funnel is going to do. And also starting a creator business is going to do. It's really as simple as that. You post content speaking directly to your ideal client. You don't have to try go viral. You don't have to think of the next viral idea. You need to speak directly to your ideal client, understand them, speak about what they're struggling with, relate to those struggles and everything like that. People get intrigued for more. Okay, they get intrigued for more. They move over to your video sales letter. They may even book in a call from that if you do a good job on this. And then if they don't, they get retargeted by all of your YouTube content. They eventually decide to book in a call. You make a lot of money. It's really that simple. And that is why you need to start a creator business. Everyone you see online posting content that is a creator business, they're selling to their audience. Why can't you do that? Why are you doing the thing they say instead of doing what they're actually doing? Okay, do what they do, not what they say. Okay, it really is simple as that. And if you want the same results as Craig, Aaron and Nathan, and want to get your next 5 high-paying dream clients within 12 weeks guaranteed, without spamming cold messages, without spamming short-form content, but with an audience of less than 10k followers, book in a free call with the first link in the description, and we can speak in more detail. And this is for online coaches, agencies and info products with a solid offer only. So if you have a solid offer, if you have a few testimonials to back that offer up, you're not a complete beginner. You have proof of concept with that offer, and it works, but you just want to get more clients. You want to get more dream clients. You want to attract instead of chase. That is for you. So what you're going to do is go to the first link in the description. I'll show you right now. So what you're going to do, as you can see, is here is you'll be on my video. You'll just go down to here, more. You'll click on Calendly. And then what you'll do is just book in a call, whatever time you're available. It will take you to here, then you answer these questions and press schedule event. So if you're interested in that, ready to start a creator business and get more clients on autopilot and attract clients rather than chase them, and be able to get your clients actual results, because the clients you'll be getting from this method, from the Magnify Your Content funnel and through your creator business, they're dream clients. So you can actually serve them, you can get them amazing results, and you can have impact. So if you're interested in that, book in a call with the first link in the description. Hope you got some value from this video. Subscribe, everything like that. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Peace.